Hi everyone, welcome to WebTech Production. In this part of JavaScript tutorial, I will talk about data types and JavaScript. Dear friends, during this video, first I will explain data type concept and JavaScript. Second, I will explain and also I will practically show you different data types like string, number, boolean, array, function, object, undefined, empty, and null. Now let us try to understand data type concept. But before starting explaining data type, first let us see a small example that will help us to understand data types better. Let us start coding. Let us change title of document to. Now let us use script tag and body section. Now let us create three variables. As you can see, I have created three variables. The name of first variable is x and its value is 5. The name of second variable is y and its value is 5. And the name of third variable is z. The value of z is x plus y. It means that 5 plus 5. Now let's try to output the value of z variable by using document.write method. Between opening and closing parentheses, type the name of variable, which is z. Put semicolon at the end of statement. Now let us save the file and see what web browser displays on screen. Go to File, select on Save Command. As you can see, web browser displayed 10 on screen, which is the result of addition of x plus y. As you can see in this example, we got the meaningful result from addition of two variables, which is 5 plus 5 equals to 10. Now let us change the data type of first variable to string and see still we get the meaningful result from addition of x plus y or not. Now let us change the data type of first variable to string. Now let us save the file and see what web browser displays on screen. As you can see, by adding two variables with different data type, we didn't get a meaningful result. 5 plus 5 should be 10, but web browser displays instead of 10, 55. That is because data types of both variables are not same. Now, the concept of data type in JavaScript is that to avoid these kind of problems, JavaScript introduced data type. For getting meaningful result while adding two variables, the data type of both variables should be number. Now let us see how can we store different data type and variable. Dear friends, just to save time, I have wrote this code and background. Now I will explain each one of these code separately. Dear friends, if you want the data type of a variable to be number, just set the value of variable to any number. Then the data type of a variable will be a number. If you want the data type of a variable to be string, just set the value of a variable between double quotation mark. Type any text you want to be the value of a variable. If you want the data type of a variable to be Boolean, just set the value of a variable to true or false. If you want the data type of a variable to be array, just type like this. If you want the data type of a variable to be object, just type like this. If you do not assign any value to a variable, then the data type of that variable will be undefined. If you want the value of a variable to be empty, just type double quotation mark and leave it empty. And finally, if you want the data type of a variable to be null, just set the value of a variable to null. Dear friends, this was the brief explanation of data type. In upcoming videos, I will discuss in detail each one of these data types. Okay guys, this was the explanation and example of data type in JavaScript. If you liked my video, please click on thumbs up button. And if you are new to my channel and didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe now.